After years of working in healthcare, I have witnessed firsthand how the simple choices we make in our kitchens can either clog our arteries or set our circulation free. I've seen thousands of seniors struggle with that heavy, lead-like feeling in their legs, the constant tingling in their toes, and the frustrating reality of cold feet even in the middle of summer. Most people believe this is just an inevitable part of getting older, but the truth is much more empowering. Your vascular system is remarkably resilient if you give it the right biological signals. For decades, I have researched the most complex cases of peripheral artery disease, and it led me to a profound realization about the power of natural lipids. We have been taught to fear all fats and oils, but certain specific oils contain molecular triggers that can actually rinse your blood vessels and restore the lost elasticity of your youth. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 medicinal oils that act like a high-speed highway for your blood flow, especially targeting the deep veins in your lower limbs. We aren't just talking about cooking. We are talking about a targeted vascular intervention that you can perform right at home. Before we dive into these liquid gold remedies, I want to ask you a very important question. Do you ever feel like your legs are falling asleep or cramping up during the night without any obvious reason? This is often the first cry for help from your circulatory system, and today, I am going to show you exactly how to answer that call. My name is Dr. Ethan, and today I'm sharing the exact vascular protocol I developed to help you reclaim your mobility. Have you noticed that your lower limbs feel tired even after a short walk, or that your feet seem much colder than the rest of your body? Extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO, is far more than a salad dressing. It is a pharmaceutical-grade vasodilator that works directly on the endothelial lining of your arteries. The primary mechanism at play here is a high concentration of polyphenols and oleic acid, which signal your blood vessels to release more nitric oxide, the master molecule for relaxation. When your vessels relax, they physically widen, allowing a much larger volume of oxygen-rich blood to reach your calves and ankles with every single heartbeat. Beyond just circulation, EVOO is a powerhouse for brain health, as it has been shown to reduce the neuroinflammation associated with cognitive decline and memory loss in seniors. It also acts as a natural lubricant for your joints, reducing the systemic inflammation that often causes stiffness in the knees and hips. This internal lubrication helps prevent the grinding sensation in your bones, while simultaneously flushing out metabolic waste from your leg tissues. By keeping your arteries flexible, you are essentially reducing the resistance your heart has to pump against every second of the day. To get the maximum benefit for your legs, you should consume 2 tablespoons of raw, unheated EVOO every morning, ideally drizzled over a light breakfast or taken directly. Avoid heating it to high temperatures, as this destroys the delicate polyphenols that your vascular system craves for repair. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that participants who consumed a high polyphenol olive oil showed a 15% increase in flow-mediated dilation within just 4 hours of consumption. Avocado oil is unique because it is one of the few oils capable of penetrating the mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, to protect them from oxidative stress. As we age, free radicals damage the walls of our veins, making them crusty and less responsive to blood pressure changes. Avocado oil acts as a biological shield against this damage. It is incredibly rich in lutein and vitamin E, which work together to prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, ensuring that your blood stays thin and moves like water rather than sludge. Additionally, avocado oil is exceptional for eye health, protecting the tiny capillaries in your retina from the damage that leads to macular degeneration. It also improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like D and K, which are crucial for maintaining bone density and preventing the calcification of your heart valves. Regular consumption helps to keep the walls of your aorta supple, which is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure as you sleep. It also provides a steady source of healthy fats that stabilize your energy levels throughout the afternoon, preventing the common slump that slows down your activity. You should use avocado oil for your medium heat cooking, or add a teaspoon to your afternoon smoothie to ensure a steady supply of these heart-healthy fats. The best time to take it is during your largest meal of the day to maximize the absorption of other nutrients while providing a sustained boost to your vascular flow. Research published in the journal Free Radical Biology and Medicine demonstrated that the lipids in avocado oil significantly reduced pro-inflammatory markers that contribute to arterial stiffness in older adults. Black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa, contains a rare compound called thymoquinone, which acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent for the entire cardiovascular system. Its primary mechanism for improving leg circulation is its ability to reduce vascular resistance, which is the internal pressure that makes your heart work harder to push blood down to your feet. By calming the chronic inflammation in the vessel walls, thymoquinone allows for a much smoother transit of red blood cells through the tiniest capillaries in your toes. This oil is also world-renowned for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is vital for preventing the nerve damage often associated with poor circulation. Many seniors also find that it significantly improves respiratory function and helps clear the airways, making it a whole-body tonic for vitality. It works remarkably well for those suffering from chronic venous insufficiency by strengthening the structural proteins of the vein valves. Furthermore, it has been observed to help repair skin tissue from the inside out, which is essential for maintaining the health of your legs over time. Because black seed oil is very potent, you only need half a teaspoon daily, mixed with a little honey to offset its strong, peppery taste. It is most effective when taken in the evening, as it helps the body repair vascular tissue during the deep sleep cycles when your growth hormones are most active. A clinical study in the American Journal of Physiology confirmed that thymoquinone helps stimulate the production of new microvessels, a process known as angiogenesis, which is a total game-changer for those with chronic leg fatigue. Flaxseed oil is the ultimate plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is essential for maintaining the bounce and flexibility of your veins. The mechanism here is a reduction in blood viscosity. Essentially, ALA makes your blood less sticky, which prevents the formation of tiny clots that can slow down flow in the lower extremities. When your blood moves more freely, the pressure on your vein valves is reduced, which can significantly help in managing varicose veins and preventing the swelling known as edema. Flaxseed oil is also incredible for skin health, helping to keep it hydrated and elastic, which prevents the dry, paper-like skin often seen in seniors with poor circulation. It also supports digestive health by providing a gentle, lubricating effect on the colon, ensuring that your body can efficiently eliminate toxins that would otherwise stress your heart. This reduction in internal toxicity allows your blood to carry more pure oxygen to the tissues that need it most for repair. It also helps in balancing cholesterol ratios, ensuring that your arteries remain clean and free of obstructive buildup. You must keep flaxseed oil in the refrigerator to prevent it from going rancid, and you should add 1 tablespoon to your yogurt or cereal. Never heat this oil, as it is extremely sensitive to light and temperature. Always look for cold-pressed versions to ensure the molecular structure of the omega-3s is intact for your heart's benefit. According to a study in the British Journal of Nutrition, daily flaxseed oil supplementation was shown to reduce systemic arterial stiffness by up to 12% in participants over the age of 55. Taking the top spot on our list is sesame oil, a medicinal powerhouse that has been used for thousands of years to treat cold limbs and vascular stagnation. The secret lies in 2 unique compounds, sesamin and sesamolin, which have a dramatic effect on reducing oxidative stress in the arteries and preventing the buildup of plaque. The primary mechanism is its ability to inhibit an enzyme that causes blood vessels to constrict, effectively forcing your peripheral arteries to stay open and flowing even during periods of inactivity. Sesame oil is also highly effective for oral health and oil pulling, which has been linked to a reduction in heart disease by eliminating harmful bacteria that enter the bloodstream through the gums. It is also rich in zinc and copper, which are essential for the production of red blood cells and the maintenance of a strong, rhythmic heartbeat. This combination of minerals acts as a building block for the very cells that carry oxygen throughout your entire circulatory network. By ensuring your blood is nutrient-rich, you are giving your legs the literal fuel they need to heal and recover from daily strain. For the best results in your legs, you can use sesame oil for light sautéing, but I also recommend a topical application where you gently massage warm sesame oil into your calves and feet before bed. This combination of internal consumption and external massage provides a dual-action boost to your circulation that is unmatched by any other natural remedy. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed that sesamin significantly increased the bioavailability of nitric oxide, leading to a profound improvement in peripheral blood flow within just 30 days of regular use. I hope these insights help you feel the warmth and energy returning to your legs so you can stay active and independent for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe for more science-backed ways to reclaim your health. And remember, your circulation is the river of life, so keep it flowing.